It began with a simple handover. Calendar, stakeholders, risks, neatly packaged. No fuss, no drama, just clarity. Hold the fort for a week. Sometimes a week is enough for everything to change. First night, triage, deadlines, dependencies, noise to signal, story over slides. Confidence is contagious. Stack the day. Simplify the maze. Lead with outcomes. Access expands with trust. Momentum costs sleep. Decisions need drafts. The grind finds you. You answer. Fully. He stopped asking for permission. He showed a path. Rooms open to clarity. Requests became updates. Trust follows truth. Access granted. Directly. He came back expecting the same orbit. The gravity had shifted. Not threatened, just late. Attention betrays direction. Progress keeps receipts. Momentum chooses its rider. He escalated as titles do. He asked for control. They offered words. It sounded like a win. But power needs presence, not promises. When clarity grows, shadows move. No email, no memo, just alignment. Off the record, targets painted without notice. Authority rerouted. Decisions prefer quiet. Outcomes already scripted. Game on. Access retracts without notice. He waits, not invited. Decisions drift away from doers. Silence is a message, erased without a trace. Isolation, professional grade. It wasn't a debate. Stay in your lane. Titles first, delivery later. He chose respect over reaction. Power lectures when insecure. Message received. Not every exit slams a door. Some end with gratitude and quiet dignity, keeping what matters. Principles intact. He chose to walk. Momentum lost its owner. Cues grow. Clarity fades. Risks stop whispering. Politics wins moments. Outcomes choose competence. He was just holding the fort, until he didn't. Deadlines, decisions, direct access, show value, doors open. Trust follows clarity. Access beats designation. Every time. He went on leave as a boss, and came back irrelevant. Gravity moved. Momentum remembers effort. You don't lose power, you give it away. They said, do whatever you want. Titles over traction. No follow-through. No presence. Verbal authority is corporate bait. No email, no announcement, just power moves, alignment off the record. When leadership hides, politics shows up. Decisions made in shadow. He didn't fight, he walked, no drama, just decision. Keeping integrity expensive. When ethics lose, talent exits. No hero, no villain, just damage. Work waits for ownership. Systems fail before people do.